Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. Spread these plantlets on the sheet like this, and after that you have to take 2 circles and start making this peacock in a very unique manner. Wow, isn't it stunning? Take a leaf and empty the nuts as shown. Color the nuts with the help of red color, and yes, we are making beetles again. These beetles will look super cute while we are making their legs and eyes. See, these colorful beetles are ready. Take a bottle cap and draw this face inside it. After drawing this, you have to place clay like this. These kittens will look great. See how elegantly they sit and they are staring at each other. This bottle cap is now to be converted in a sunny form. Take this bottle cap and place them accordingly. Draw various emotions of these bottle caps like this and use clay to complete their look. These snowmen are really enjoying in this snowy season. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.